That's a remarkable bit of nomenclature. So who should be at the pinnacle? The force that sees and speaks and goes out to confront chaos voluntarily. You know how many years it took people to figure that out? That's like the pinnacle discovery of humanity. That's what that is. And it's echoed here. You know, you see Simeon and Levi, they're too angry. The other brothers, they all have flaws and faults of various sorts. And so they're not elevated to the highest place. But Joseph, because he has his coat of many colors, and because he lands on his feet no matter where he goes, and because he's not resentful and bitter and malevolent and genocidal, and he's not shaking his fist at the sky or yelling at God because of Trump, let's say, then he's the right representative of the 12 tribes. And so that's brilliant. It's a brilliant story. All these are the 12 tribes of Israel. And